Alright, folks, gather round because today we're diving into the fascinating world of artist Luis Romero. Born in the beautiful town of Ronda, Spain, in 1948, this guy is all about spray paint and unleashing his artistic creativity. And let me tell you, his paintings and artworks are not just liked by many, they're appreciated by all. Now, Luis is no stranger to the spotlight. He's been a part of countless national and international art exhibitions, showcasing his incredible talent all around the globe. I mean, this guy is a true art globetrotter. And it's no surprise that he's been showered with awards left and right. In fact, he's been awarded a whopping 6 times at the prestigious concert in Malaga, Manchester, Switzerland, and even some other cities. Talk about a decorated painter. But here's the thing, Luis Romero doesn't just limit himself to traditional canvas paintings. Oh no, he's a man of many talents. He's illustrated books, conducted art workshops, dabbled in theater, created stunning landscape posters, and even taught painting training courses. This guy is like a one-man art extravaganza. And let me tell you, his artworks are not just confined to the borders of Spain. Nope, they've made their way onto the international stage as well. People from all corners of the world have had the pleasure of witnessing Luis' masterpieces firsthand. I mean, who wouldn't want a piece of his art hanging on their wall? So, whether you're strolling through the streets of Spain or exploring the art scene in some far-flung country, keep an eye out for Luis Romero's incredible creations. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. This guy is a true artistic force to be reckoned with, and his work is bound to leave you in awe. So there you have it, folks, the lowdown on the one and only Luis Romero. From his humble beginnings in Ronda to his international acclaim, this artist has truly made a name for himself. And with his spray paint in hand, he continues to captivate audiences with his unique and awe-inspiring creations. So next time you're in the mood for some mind-blowing art, remember the name Luis Romero. You won't regret it.